Hello, FX here, and in this video I'll be showing you 10 altcoins that has the potential to do 3x, 5x, 10x, and even more than 100x in this bull run. And at the end of this video, I'll be giving you a bonus coin that has the potential to do well in the short run and also on the long run. Now, before I give you this coin, so the process of the bull run, Bitcoin first of all does its thing, goes to its all-time high, which it has done, or some believe it can still go beyond its all-time high, which is currently above $117,000. Next supposed to be Ethereum to go beyond its all-time high, and Ethereum is very close to its all-time high now. And we expect after that the next thing is for Bitcoin dominance to go below 50, and then we expect money to flow into altcoins, and then we have the proper cycle. But the issue is that the situations around the market has changed. We see institutional investors coming into the market, and the market perspective has changed. So it is not really as it used to be before, but I still expect the altcoin season to come maybe towards the end of this year, or even creeping towards the first quarter of next year, 2026. Anything can still happen. Now, these are my picks, personal picks for 10 coins that have not done well yet. Drum roll. Number one is ADA, which is Cardano. Cardano, I think, is actually in a very discount price right now. Cardano is up there with XRP, even I dare to say with Solana. It's currently ranked the 10th coin in altcoin space. So Cardano is a very, very good coin. It did before the previous bull run. It got up to $3 and it's currently around $0.8. So it has the potential to do very well. I believe once the altcoin season starts, it's going to be among the first guys to start blowing up. So ADA Cardano is a very good coin. It has a good utility, very good use case. ADA Cardano is a proof of stake blockchain platform founded by Charles Hoskinson, a co-founder of Ethereum. ADA could benefit from the growth of DeFi and dApps XRP integration. So watch out for it. Watch out for ADA. Number 2 is FET, FET. This is an artificial intelligence coin. It's a very good coin. In this era of artificial intelligence, where we have the likes of ChatGPT, the likes of Grok, and the likes so many other Gemini, so many other platforms, even metaverse artificial intelligence. This coin, I believe, is the front runner coin for artificial intelligence. Now, this coin has the potential to do very well. If you are in the in thing and you know what's happening around the world, artificial intelligence is the next big thing. In fact, it's already a big thing already now. So if you want to buy something to ape into it, you have to buy this coin, FET. It's for formerly FET, but the name now has changed. Now it is known as ASI. Now FET ASI, which is FET AI, is known as Artificial Superficial Intelligence Alliance. It's an artificial intelligence coin focused on decentralized AI. ChatGPT includes it in ChatGPT 5. Then you know that it's going to go explosive. The third coin is called Mbox, which is Mbox. Now, like the GameStop guy that says, I just love this coin. Personally, I just love this coin. I love this token. I love it so much. I don't know, maybe because I'm giving little funds in the past. I don't know. But personally, I love this coin and it's a must-have in my own portfolio. Mbox is a very, very good coin to have. And it's actually very low now. Like, if you buy it now and it starts going, I personally see it to get beyond $5. But even if you buy it now, it gets to $0.5 or even $1, that is more than the 200x, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a must-have in your portfolio. For me, Mbox is a blockchain gaming platform where users can earn through play to earn. Built on Binance Smart Chain, it is a gaming narrative. Next is SLP. This coin is the reward token, reward currency for Axie Infinity game. There was a time when the Axie Infinity game was the highest play to earn game on the blockchain network. Gaming narrative goes well, this coin is expected to do well. So SLP, which is the reward token for Axie Infinity game, it is even if you don't buy it much, buy it little. I believe that when it spikes, that little you buy it with, it's going to do multiple X. So it's very good to have it. SLP is an ERC token used in Axie Infinity gaming play to earn ecosystem. SLP is the reward currency for the Axie Infinity game, which I said before, which was once the most played play to earn blockchain game. Now, number 5, this one, SHIB, which is Shiba. Last bull run, this coin makes a lot of people millionaires. I'm talking about multi-millionaires in US dollars. And this coin, two things about this coin. One, it's a meme coin. I know the meme narrative is explosive. The second thing about this coin is the community. It has a very large community, and meme coins have the potential to do even 1,000, 10,000x. This coin did multiple x potential. Even though it has done well last bull run, it has the potential to do well this bull run as well. The community is still very much active, and it's good to have it, no matter how little, to have it in your portfolio. Shiba meme coin, Shiba Inu meme coin is a meme coin culture sensation that made many people millionaires in the last bull run. It was inspired by Dogecoin and has a large community. Next coin, which is number 6, Ape coin. Now, during the NFT frenzy, this coin was in vogue, was topping charts. It is actually connected to Bored Ape. Bored Ape was an NFT that was selling for millions of dollars during the last NFT frenzy. So I also expect it to do well, even though the NFT is not doing well as much then. But this coin is actually at a very discount price, and I expect it to also do well. Ape is the governance utility token for the Ape ecosystem tied to Bored Ape Yacht Club NFTs. And number 7 is actually 2 coins, which is Mana Decentraland and Sand. These are 2 coins. You can buy any one of them or both of them. These are metaverse coins. Facebook changed the name to Metaverse. That should tell you something. This coin, you should have it. Either Mana or Sand. You should have one of them or both of them. They work hand in hand. If Mana moves, expect Sand to follow suit. If Sand moves, expect Mana to follow suit, or even at the same time. These are metaverse coins. We are moving into gaming, artificial intelligence, and metaverse is also a gaming thing, social gaming network. So if you are projecting for Facebook to do well, or anything on the metaverse universe, then expect Sand and Mana to do very well in this bull run. Mana and Sand are currently ranked 107 and 109. They are both metaverse tokens which can be used in their virtual and gaming world. Next coin is Gala. Gala is actually a very good coin. It is ranked 97 in the rank of currencies. Gala is a Web3 ecosystem built to power the Gala games, Gala music, and Gala film. When I'm talking of gaming narrative, this coin is among the gaming narratives that has the potential to do very well. The next is Ondo, ranked 37. Ondo is a finance coin. I know anything that has to do with finance, it's also talking about money. Ondo has the potential to do very well. Ondo is a finance coin. Ondo token holders are entrusted with shaping the future of the Ondo DAO so that it continues to pursue its mission to democratize access to institutional grade finance. And the final coin is PEP. Is it Pepe or PEP? This coin, that meme frog, that frog that is always used as a meme. This is the token for that meme. I know whatever that has to do with meme is something that can be explosive. This meme, you can see it on your screen. This meme is the viral meme. This coin actually did well last bull season and has actually been doing very well. So if you are someone that wants to ape into the meme culture, it has a very large community, so you can tap into it, and I expect it to actually do very, very well. Now, PEP is the deflationary meme coin launched on Ethereum, created by Matt Furey as a tribute to Pep, the frog internet meme. Now, I promise to give a bonus coin, and that bonus coin is PI. One thing I like about this coin is the community. There are different apps that are built inside the PI network, and PI itself has a very good community, a solid community, and it's a coin that I expect if you want to hold a coin for short term or even long term, hold PI. PI will do very, very well. Yes, you can. If you want to hold, number 1 coin to hold for a very long time is Bitcoin, because I expect Bitcoin to go beyond $1 million in the future. But another coin that has a very good community and will do very well is PI. The developers are working tirelessly. If you don't have money, you can buy some of them or buy all. But watch it. Cryptocurrency is something that has its own risk. So there's no assurance of anything. But if you're in the crypto space, you know that you're here to take risks, even though it's calculated risks. So these are the coins that I expect to do well. But if you know any other one you think that will do well, that has not done well yet, because these coins that are listing are most of the coins that have not done well yet, except for maybe for Ondo or so that have moved. So if you know any other one that will do well, list them in the comment section and let's see if it will do well. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.